this is how to check your engine oil level on your BMW F30 or F31. First things first, you need to go to the menu, and with this dial, go to the vehicle information, vehicle status, and select engine oil level. And here you can see engine oil level, and it says engine oil level is okay. But if you want to know more specifically what is the engine oil level, you can scroll down and you will see measure engine oil level. Click OK. It tells you the information, what you need to do to measure it, and you need to just click OK, and it will start measuring. It will take like a minute or so, but it will tell you very specifically what the engine oil level is. Okay, it has done measuring, and it tells you the exact engine oil level on the scale. And that's pretty much it. So that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, hit like, and see you later.